Alright, hi, this is Dylan again. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So today is the Tuesday, 28th of October. So we shall start off with the euro against the US dollar. Right, so this is the 4-hourly chart on the euro against the US dollar. We are seeing that price has rebounded from a exhaustion level at the price of 1.2633 and is rebounding and moving closer back to the previous falling trend channel, or rather the bottom of the previous falling trend channel. The trend channel, as you can see in the day chart, is this channel over here. And coming back to the 4-hourly chart, we do see that price has been resisted once or rather twice. Okay, once over here, and the second time was over here, and that's where price began to fall again. And right now we're seeing the price is coming back to the same area for same spot of a resistance. So once price reaches the bottom of the previous falling trend channel, this could give a shorting opportunity. Alright, so that is for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we shall take a look at the dollar against the yen. Alright, so what's happening right now is that then again, price has rebounded from the exhaustion level of 105.53, which is also a previous high back in December 2013. Right, coming back to a 4-hourly chart, we can see that there is a rising trend channel forming as well, and price is almost touching the bottom of the rising trend channel, but it seems that price is about to rebound as well. But of course, we shall wait for it to really touch us the bottom of the rising trend channel, wait for a trade setup, then we can go for a long opportunity as well. Alright, of course, if we're going to go for a long opportunity, I believe there is a very huge wave over here, all the way back to the previous high of 110. Alright, that's over 200 pips. Next, we shall take a look at the pound against the US dollar. But the pound against the US dollar, as you can see that there is a probable falling trend channel. Alright, this is the two lines for the probable falling trend channel. And over here there is a falling trend line. Alright, this is the falling trend line, and we do see the price has already broken above it, came down, got supported at the upside of this falling trend line, and it begins to rebound. Alright, and therefore it also forms a probable a minor rising trend channel. Alright, so we do expect that price will be able to appreciate further all the way to the top of the probable falling trend channel over here, and then of course from there we'll see if there is a trade setup for a short opportunity. And for those who wants to be a little bit more aggressive, you can zoom into a smaller time frame and look for a retracement over here. If there is a setup, you can even go for a long opportunity, because there's still quite a lot on the upside before it touches the top of the probable falling trend channel. Alright, finally we shall look at the New Zealand against US dollar. Right, the last pair for the 4 major currency pairs. Well, for the New Zealand against the US dollar, let's zoom in the 4-hourly charts. As I has mentioned, there is a rising trend channel. Alright, so this is a rising trend channel I'm talking about, and what we see is that price has broken below the rising trend channel. It came back and got resisted at the bottom of the rising trend channel again. Alright, so if we zoom in a little bit closer, we do see that there is a magic candle. Alright, so if a magic candle right at the bottom of the rising trend channel, and therefore we can wait for a confirmation. Right, maybe it closed about 0.7885 to form a confirmation, then we can actually go for a short opportunity. Alright, but of course, if it begins to appreciate further and went back into the rising trend channel, the next level we're going to look at is the price of 0.8133 final exhaustion level. measured by the Fibonacci expansion. Right. So next we shall take a look at another 3 currency pairs. First off, I would like to touch on euro against the franc. Right. If you do not know, based on fundamental itself, whenever price reaches 1.2000, the price of 1.2000, price is usually more likely to rebound, or rather to appreciate. Okay, reason is very simple. If you look at the weekly chart itself, you can see that price has always been supported at the price of 1.2000. Alright, maybe a little bit lower will be 1.992 or 1.1984. 1.1984, sorry. 1.1984 is the lowest it has ever went to ever since the Swiss National Bank has kept their currency, their exchange rate at 1.2 for euro against the franc. Alright, so what we are seeing right now is that price is almost near the lowest of it. And zoom in the 4-hourly chart, we do see that there is a support level over here, and right now we are seeing that price has touches this support level, forming a magic candle, and the confirmation is about to form right now as well, that give a long opportunity towards the upside. And of course, if you're gonna set stop loss for this, to be safe, you can place it at 1.1980 or 1.1960. Well, that will definitely be a price that is almost untouchable. Alright, of course, it's not definitely, but most likely it is not going to touch that level. And on the outside itself, if you look at day chart, well, there is still plenty. So that is for euro against the US, the euro against the franc. Next, I shall look at the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. So previously there was a rising trend channel. This is a daily chart. It broke above, came up, down. Right now it came down and got supported at the top of the previous rising trend channel that is broken. So if you look at the 4-hourly chart, we do see that there's a magic candle, and the confirmation is about to form as well. And of course, stochastic has also suggested oversold and crossing upwards. That will give a opportunity to go for long. Now, of course, this is one of a support level over here. Okay, you can see that price has been supported before at this area, right? This area a little bit too. And right now, this might be another chance that price got supported and begin to appreciate. So we shall wait for price to close at least at 1.1168 or above for confirmation. Then we can go for a long opportunity. Set a stop loss about 20 to 30 pips below the lowest, the low of the magic candle. That will do. And last but not least, this is the dollar franc. Just like euro against the US dollar, alright, we are seeing that dollar franc is coming down, and it's about to touch the previous rising trend channel. Alright, it will be more clear in the day charts. Alright, coming back to the 4-hourly chart, there used to be a previous a rather minor falling trend channel. It has been broken above. Right now it's coming down again back to the previous the top of the previous rising trend channel, which will give an opportunity to go for a long. Alright, it is basically almost the mirror image of the euro against the US dollar. So of course, if it touches this level, again wait for the magic candle and a confirmation. Set a stop loss 20 to 30 pips below the low of the magic candle. And the first level we can look at is 0.9559 followed by 0.9680. And even for the higher one, we shall have to replot the Fibonacci expansion once it start to move higher. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.